In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Finance function in Google Sheets. This powerful tool is particularly useful for tracking financial data and stocks, making it an essential feature for anyone dealing in investments or financial analyses. So, let's dive in. First, begin by opening a Google Sheet. This is where all the magic will happen. If you don't already have a blank sheet, simply head over to Google Sheets and click the plus blank option to start a new spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the grid layout, as this will be where we'll input our data and formulas. Next, locate cell B3, which is where we'll enter the Google Finance function. For those new to spreadsheets, cells are organized by letters for columns and numbers for rows. So, B3 is at the intersection of column B and row 3. Now, click on this cell to select it. This is an important step since the active cell, which is B3 here, is where the formula will be entered. Now, in cell B3, we'll type in our formula. Input this, equal Google Finance, NYSEV, price, 1/1/2024, 100. Let's break this down a bit for clarity. The Google Finance function is designed to help you retrieve current or historical market data. In this formula, NYSEV is the stock symbol for Visa on the New York Stock Exchange. The argument price specifies that you want to pull the stock price. The date 1/1/2024 is the starting point from which you want historical data to begin, and 100 indicates the number of days for which you want the historical data. It's crucial to ensure the syntax of your formula is correct, as even a minor error can result in a formula that doesn't work. Pay attention to those quotation marks, commas, and parentheses, as they're all needed to ensure Google Sheets interprets your formula correctly. Once you've carefully entered your formula, it's time to execute it. Simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. With that simple action, Google Sheets processes your request and should soon display the data you've asked for in and around cell B3. If everything has been done correctly, your spreadsheet should now be populated with the data you requested, displaying an array of information depending on your chosen parameters. In conclusion, utilizing the Google Finance function in Google Sheets is a fantastic way to keep tabs on financial information. It's about entering the correct formula into the right cell, and Google Sheets does the heavy lifting for you, retrieving and displaying the data efficiently. As you continue using Google Finance, you'll find it a valuable tool for staying informed and making data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.